Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all staying safe and sane during this crazy time. I'm back with another drink video for you guys today, and today we're gonna make the ever popular Moscow Mule. It's one of my favorite drinks because it's super easy to make and it's super refreshing and doesn't require a lot of work. So let's get started. So what you're gonna need is a quality vodka, and today I have Tito's and ginger beer. And of course, no Moscow Mule is complete without a copper mug. If you make this drink and you pour it into anything else, please do not call it a Moscow Mule because you're gonna need one of these. Alright, so first you want to take one of your copper mugs and fill it up with ice. And then you're gonna need half a lime and just squeeze the whole thing in there. Make sure to really get all that juice out of there. And I like to flip the lime over on the other side and give it another squeeze. Alright, so next you're going to take 2 ounces of vodka. I just used this thing. I'm not exactly sure if this is 2 ounces, but this is enough for me, so sorry bartenders. And then take 3 ounces of ginger beer, or you can just top it off. So finally just take a lime wedge to garnish, and then I like to take a little mint leaf to garnish as well. And there you have it, the Moscow Mule. Okay, was that good? Delicious and so easy to make. You guys have to make this. It's 3 ingredients, you can't really fuck it up. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more Quaran-tinis. And remember, stay safe and stay your ass home.